Welcome to our channel, where healthy meets delicious. Today, we're bringing you the ultimate treat, our Mellow Mango Keto Juice recipe. Ingredients: 2 ripe mangoes, peeled and diced, 1 cup coconut milk, full fat, 1 cup almond flour, and a half fake keto-friendly sweetener like erythritol or stevia, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. First, let's start by blending our diced mangoes until they're nice and smooth. Now, in a mixing bowl, let's combine our smooth mango puree with the coconut milk, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Next, we'll gradually add our almond flour while stirring to avoid any lumps. Now, let's transfer this mixture to a small saucepan and cook it over low heat. We want to gently heat it while stirring until it thickens slightly. Once our mixture has thickened, we can add our keto-friendly sweetener. This will add just the right amount of sweetness without spiking our blood sugar. And there you have it, our mouth-watering Mellow Mango Keto Juice. It's a guilt-free indulgence that's perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth while staying in ketosis. Ready to shed those extra pounds and trim that stubborn belly fat naturally. Click the link below to discover a proven, science-backed method to achieve your weight loss goals while maintaining a healthy, sustainable lifestyle. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like